large group of people in space, perhaps in orbit, generally away from the magnetic field altogether, as some sort of control group.
Yes, that reminds me that I'm currently at the Institute of Noetic Sciences, and our founder, the Apollo 14 astronaut Edgar Mitchell, did just that. We didn't have a group in space, but we had this astronaut in space coming back from the moon to the Earth, and did, as far as we can tell, the only ESP experiment in history in space.
The only one ever talked about, anyway.
Right.
And the results of it?
Well, it was, we call it data torture. You take the data and you torture it until it gives you a good result. There weren't outstanding results, but there was some evidence that, as a couple cards into the game, that the receivers, who I believe were back on Earth, some of them were able to successfully describe the cards that Edgar Mitchell was looking at. But it wasn't an outstanding successful experiment.
All right, well, I just want to continue for one moment. I very briefly, several weeks ago, discussed this with you on the phone. But after my experience with the pair program, I began, just for the fun of it, I thought at the time, and it was just fun, a kind of a lighthearted thing. There was a deficit of rain in Florida. They're having a terrible drought, fires, and it was a mess. And I thought, wouldn't it be fun to conduct a gigantic mass experiment and see if we could affect the weather? Where there was no rain forecast, let's get millions of people thinking about it. And so I did it. A very serious attempt. I said, all right, coming up in the spring, all of us, millions, to concentrate on rain for this part of Florida. And within hours, actually even less than hours in that case, by God, out of nowhere, clouds came, a system formed, it rained. It shocked me, but I thought, coincidence. Tried it again in Texas. Created rain again within hours in Texas. Tried it in Western Canada, British Columbia, where they had a drought, dangerous condition. By God, we created rain. And we tried a whole series of experiments, and they were all, to a great degree, successful. And then I began to worry. And I began to think, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. And I have no idea what forces I'm messing with, or what I'm doing, or what could be wrong. And I always envisioned the possibility of some terrible error. People were calling me and saying, oh, there's a horrible hurricane headed toward Florida. Can't you keep it away from Florida? And I began to think and worry that, oh, well, it might try that, and it might keep it away from Florida, and the damn thing might go to a force 5 and kill thousands. And since I don't know what I'm doing, I'm going to stop. And I did for years and years and years. I gave it up. I stopped because I didn't understand it. Any thoughts on that?
Well, I think you did the wise thing. When dealing with powerful forces, at minimum, we should always be concerned about the law of unintended consequences. That's what you were referring to. And
that was my concern.
Yeah, you deflect a hurricane from one place, it's going to end up somewhere else. And unless you have perfect clairvoyance or perfect precognition, you really can't know what the consequences of that change are.
Or if you have created rain, you have taken moisture from another location. Sure.
Right.
And I always felt that Ron Serling would be standing there saying, gee, Art, you didn't read the fine print. And so, I really, honestly, don't know what I'm doing, Doctor. And so you would have, under similar circumstances, also stopped and stood back from it?
I probably, in that case, would have thought long and hard about whether it was even possible to avoid unintended consequences. I think that the answer is no. We're not clever enough to know. The world is extremely well integrated. Things are connected all over the place. It is very difficult to push on one area and not have an effect somewhere else. And that's why it's wise to do two things. One is, if you think you've got something interesting going on, to be quiet about it until you understand it better. The second is, if you think you have something interesting going on, maybe it's not such a great idea to get millions of other people involved in it right away.
I don't know how I can become sure of what I'm doing. I don't even have a clue.